Hi, how you doing? Phil Cameron here, iTeam of the Valley. Uh, Today's tech tip is going to be how to burn a video to a DVD. Now, I know there's plenty of different software out here. However, I'm just doing a simple video to a DVD. You want a video that all you have to do is pop it in the DVD player, and it's automatically going to play your video presentation. Okay. So the first thing to do is download the DVD Flick software. This enables you to create a simple DVD. It's very easy to use, and it's free. Okay. Don't worry about copying down this address here. I have the link on the blog post for you. Okay. Now, once you go to this page, it's going to automatically start to download. I'm running Google Chrome here, so it comes up down here in the bottom. Your browser may be a little bit different in the notification it gives you. Okay. Go ahead, run through the installation, and then I come over and I'm going to start the program. Now, if you remember from last video, I told you to put the project location where the video was saved on the sticky note. So I just copied it over to my clipboard now. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our video, and you can go ahead and then just hit enter after we paste it up there. Now, advertising, that's the video that we converted from the PowerPoint, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. Now, you're not limited to just one video. You can select several, and you can add them up, and you can actually go in, you can change different things. Like, let's say that you have video, but you want to put audio to it. You can add an audio track here, pretty much in the same way. Find your audio track and put that on there. If you have a subtitle, you can add that. You can put several of them on there. You can get complicated with this if you want. There's really no there's really no necessity to make it really complicated for this demonstration. Okay. For our project settings, we can give it a title. Okay. You can leave all the default settings and it'll work just fine. Okay. We can turn looping off unless you want a continuous run DVD, which may be beneficial depending on what you want to use the DVD for. Okay. Now, to actually burn it to a disk, we can click Burn Project to Disk. Okay. If you want, you can create an ISO image. Now, an ISO image is a file that contains all the necessary information to burn a disk. You can send this file to a disk production company, and they will load your disks with this file already. So that way, all the files, all the disks will, when they come back, they'll be printed, the data will be loaded, and they're ready to go. Okay, choose your settings, then go ahead, click up, accept. All right, and then when you're done playing with all your settings, you have a menu here you can change from there. Okay, just go ahead, click the Create DVD. If you want to learn a little bit more about the features, they have a guide here. Okay, just click OK through those. And you're here. Now you can sit here, you can watch this, you can minimize it to the tray, or you can click Entertain Me and you can play some Tetris, whatever you decide to do. Now the wizard will go through. What I really do recommend is when creating the video, you don't run any other programs. The reason for this is it has to convert it, and you might end up with a couple little chops or some interference or something depending on what programs you're running. The best thing you can do from this is just get up, walk away for about a half hour or so, maybe come back. That way you don't run the risk of messing up your disc and having to start all over, and you just spent $3 on a coaster. All right, that was Phil Cameron here, iTeam in the Valley, with today's tech tip. If you have any suggestions for another question, you can go ahead. You can submit it to us through our website. You can give us a call, 484-505-8903, or you can go ahead and send it to us in an email, suggestions@iteamlv.com. Should probably also note that we can also accept text messages at this number, so if you want to send it via text, that works too. All right, thank you and have a nice day.